Hello students, welcome back to the statistics class. In the previous video, we solved a few problems based on the third measure of mortality, that is STDR. Today, let us solve some more problems based on the same measure. Example number 4. Compute crude death rates and standardized death rates for towns A and B by taking town A as the standard population. Hence, find which town is more healthy. And the data is given in the form of a table. Here, your question is to find crude death rates, which means you should find the CDRs for both the towns A and B. And you should find STDRs for towns A and B. So, here your question is to find CDR and STDR for the two towns A and B, based on which the comparison is made to find a healthy population. Now, in the question, they told that by taking town A as the standard population. So far, used to get a different set of data which was considered as standard population. But here in this question, they ask you to consider town A population as a standard population. Since town A population is considered as standard population, for town A, its CDR will be equal to STDR, which we learnt from the previous note. So, when a particular population is considered as standard population, for that population, its CDR will be equal to STDR. So, since town A population is considered as standard population, for town A, its CDR will be equal to STDR, which means either you can compute CDR or you can compute STDR, but the other value will be same as that of the previous value. For example, if you are finding CDR for town A, since it is considered standard population for town A, if you compute to CDR, need not find STDR value because CDR will be equal to STDR. Similarly, if you are finding STDR for town A, since it is standard population, you need not find the CDR because STDR will be equal to CDR. So, when a population is considered as standard population, for that locality or town, you need not find both the values. You can find either CDR or STDR and conclude saying that the other value is equal to the previous value. Since CDR is easy to find, you need not compute the STDR value because in order to find STDR, you should find all the ASDR values. After finding ASDR, you should multiply ASDR with the standard population so that you will get STDR value. But the computation of CDR is very easy. If you have the total number of deaths by total population multiplied by 1000 and you will get the direct CDR value. Since CDR is easy for computation, you can find the CDR for the first town and conclude saying that STDR is also equal to the same value. So, solution, here population A itself is taken as standard population. There is no need to calculate standardized death rate. You need not calculate STDR for population A. In this case, crude death rate CDR for town A is equal to standardized death rate STDR of town A. Since this is considered as a standard population, for this town, its CDR will be equal to STDR. So, CDR of A will be equal to STDR of A. Here, since CDR is easy for computation, we found the CDR value which will be equal to STDR value also. So, take side heading as town A. In order to find the CDR, you should find the total number of deaths and the total population. So, draw the table, consider the data which is relevant to the first town. So, age group in years, population is given 35,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Find the sum total of the population which is 95,000. Find the total number of deaths which is 1040. After that, write a CDR formula. Since you are finding CDR for the first town, write it as CDR of A, CDR for town A. So, CDR of town A equal to D, total number of deaths divided by total population multiplied by 1000. After that, substitute in the given formula 1040 divided by 95,000 which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 10.95. As we all know that since this is considered as standard population, for town A, its CDR will be equal to STDR. So you need not compute the STDR value. Therefore, STDR of A is also equal to 10.95 because the values are one and the same. Town B. For town B, town A population is considered as standard population. Town B population is not the standard population. So, for town B, STDR will be different from its CDR. For town A, that population was considered as standard population. So, STDR and CDR both are same. But for town B, its standard population is town A population. So, which is not town B population. Since this is not your standard population, for this town, for town B, its CDR will be different from STDR. So, for town B, you should compute both CDR and STDR. Consider side heading as town B. Draw the table and consider the data that belongs to town B. So, different age groups are given along with the population of a town B, 80,000, 1 lakh and 16,000. Similarly, copy the death rate of town B, 1000, 1040 and 240. After that, in order to compute CDR, you should find total number of deaths and total population. So, find the total population of town B, which is 1,96,000. Find the total number of deaths for town B, which is 2,280. After that, in order to find STDR, you should find all the ASDR values. So, find ASDR for the second town B. So, ASDR of B. First value, 1000 divided by 80,000 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 12.5. 1040 divided by 1000, 1 lakh multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 10.4. 240 divided by 16,000 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 15. After computing ASTR values, copy the standard population. In the question, they told that consider by taking town A population as your standard population. So, in place of standard population, copy the data or the population value of town A, which is considered as standard population. So, 35,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Find the sum total of the population sigma P standard population equal to 95,000. After that, last column, in order to find STDR, in the numerator you should find P into B value. So, find PB, that is standard population multiplied by B. 35,000 multiplied by 12.5, that is 4,37,500. Next value, 40,000 multiplied by 10.4, that is 4,16,000. Last value, 20,000 multiplied by 15, which is equal to 3 lakh. Find the sum total of the last column, that is sigma PB equal to 11,53,500. After the completion of the given table, compute the two different values CDR and STDR for town B. So, CDR of town B equal to D divided by P multiplied by 1000, that is equal to total number of deaths 2280 divided by the population 1,96,000, which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 11.63. Similarly, find STDR. STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P. Substitute in the formula 11,53,500 divided by 95,000, that is equal to 12.14. Now, after computing all these values, you should find which is the healthy population. Is that of town A or that of town B? Now, in order to find a healthy population, you should compare the values of STDR. Here, STDR for town A is 10.95 and STDR of town B is 12.14. Since 10.95 is less than 12.14, therefore, town A is the healthy population. Here, STDR of A is less than STDR of B, therefore, town A is more healthier. After that, consider the exercise problem. Problem 1. From the following data, calculate CDRs and STDRs of two cities A and B. your question is to find CDR and STDR for both the cities, and then you should compare the data and conclude about the data. Here in the question or in the table, different age groups are given along with the data related to city A and B. In this question, city B population is considered as standard population. So as we all know that the population which is considered as standard population, that is city B. So for city B, its CDR will be equal to STDR since it is considered as standard population. So for city B, its CDR will be equal to STDR. So either you can find a CDR or you can find STDR, but the values will be one and the same. Since CDR is easy for computation, you can find a CDR and conclude saying that STDR is also equal to the same value. First, find or consider the data which belongs to city A. So take side heading as city A. Since you are finding ASDR values, give its formula ASDR equal to number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year, which is multiplied by 1000. After that, draw a table, consider the data which belongs to city A. Age groups are given, copy that, population of city A, death rate of city A. Since your question is to find a CDR, find the total number of deaths and the total population based on which CDR is computed. After that, find ASDR for city A. This will be helpful for you to compute the STDR value. So first ASDR value 100 divided by 5000, which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 20. Second value 392 divided by 14,000, which is multiplied by 1000, and that is equal to 28. Similarly, compute the rest of the values. Here, since you are finding ASDR for the first city, write it as ASDR of A. After that, in the next column, consider the standard population. So standard population is the city B population. City B population is considered standard population. So copy that data, which is the population of city B. That is 7,000, 15,000, 25,000 and 3,000. Add all these values and find the sigma P, sum total of standard population, which is equal to 50,000. In the last column, find a PA, which will be helpful for us to compute the STDR value. So product of standard population multiplied by ASDR of A, PA, that is 7,000 multiplied by 20, which is equal to 1,40,000. Second value 15,000 multiplied by 28, that is equal to 4,20,000. Similarly, compute the other two values and find the sum total of PA. Sigma PA equal to 15,35,000. After that, compute CDR and STDR for the first city. So CDR of A equal to D divided by P, which is multiplied by 1000. That is equal to 992 divided by 40,000, which is multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 24.8. So CDR for the first city is equal to 24.8. Find STDR for city A. STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P, that is equal to 15,35,000 divided by 50,000, that is equal to 30.7. After that, consider the data which belongs to city B. So take side heading as city B. Here, for this city, its population is taken as standard population. Since this is taken as standard population, for this city, its CDR will be equal to STDR. Since CDR is easy for the computation purpose, find CDR and say that STDR is equal to the CDR value. In order to find CDR, find the total number of population of city B and find the total number of deaths that is of city B. So consider in the table the given age groups, consider population of city B and the death rates of city B. Find the sum total of population and deaths. After that, write CDR formula. CDR of B equal to D divided by P, which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 1460 divided by 50,000, which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 29.2. Here population B itself is taken as a standard population. In this case, CDR for town B is equal to STDR for town B. So CDR of B equal to STDR of B. Therefore, STDR of B is equal to 29.2. After that, compare the two STDR values of city A and B. Here STDR of A is 30.7 and STDR of B is 29.2. 29.2 is less than 30.7. So, in this question, there are more number of deaths in the first city than the second city, which means city B is the healthy population. Here STDR of B is less than STDR of A, therefore city B is more healthier.